Hey, what's up guys? This is just a little quick update video. This is not the same car, the same TL that I had in my previous videos. I had a base model before, and pardon my voice because I'm a little bit sick. It's winter time here in New York. So yeah, so I had upgraded to a 08 TL Type S 6-speed. Alright, so I got the Type S A-Spec kit on it already, and this is just a video because these cars have a known issue where, I'm not sure if you can see well, but this right here, where the factory bolts go for the license plate, they usually get seized up and get corroded. So when you try to take the bolts out, they break. So I added this bracket right here that's from a BMW. I'll link it in the description down below. And all I did to install it was add some black silicone, some RTV, the really strong one, and I put something really heavy on top just to hold it down with the trunk open. So yeah, that's how I did that. That's how I was able to fix that, because three out of my 4 screw holes were messed up. So I did that, and it's winter time. I did it in the summer because for some reason I feel like the RTV would hold up better if it's installed in the summer. Don't mind the shitty job that I did. You don't see that with the plate on it, and you see these a little bit at the top, but I'll show you what it looks like with the license plate on it. But yeah, this is an easy, cheap, quick fix for a lot of the TL guys that have this issue where they can't screw their license plate in. So yeah, this is just a little update video. I will be doing videos again soon. So yeah, I'll just show you how it looks. So this is how it looks with my license plate and the license plate frame on. You do see it a little bit, just a tad bit, just because of the way that I installed it. It all depends how you glue it to your whatever you call this, that bracket right here, the license plate hole bracket, whatever, with your backup cameras if you have one. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm gonna just close it so you guys got a better look. There you go. And it comes with these pretty dope Torx security screws. So I don't know if where you're from they like stealing license plates to steal the cars and stuff, but yeah, and they don't rust, these bolts, so you won't have that issue ever again with this bracket. And like I said, I'll link it down in the description below. And thanks for watching. I know it was a short one, but I'll bring some more content out for you guys soon. Thank you.